Hey guys, welcome to new video. So today we are going to learn what is the biggest difference between layerwise shading and directly dark user shading. I am going to show you practically guys what is the difference between layerwise shading and directly dark shading. So let's get started. First of all guys, I will show you HB, 2B and 4B shading and blending respectively. Your pencil has to be sharp. See, my pencil is sharp. Now I will shade and blend HB shade. See, I am shading with HB pencil. After that I will blend it with cotton bud. See carefully how I am shading. You have to shade it with light pressure guys, and it in a uniform motion. See how I am shading it. Now I am blending it with cotton bud in the opposite direction of shading. Now I am blending in a circular motion. You have to blend in the same way. Now guys, I will shade and blend 2B pencil in the same way I have blended and shaded HB pencil. See how I shade and blend. It's time to shade and blend 4B pencil guys. See how I will shade and blend. Now let's start the actual practical for the video guys. You will see the difference between 2B shade and the HB plus 2B shade. Let's start with HB shade. First of all I will shade with the HB shade and then blend it, and after that on the HB shade I will shade with 2B and I will blend that. See how I am doing that. You can clearly see the difference between 2B and the HB plus 2B shade guys. It's more darker and smoother than the 2B shade. Now I will shade with HB plus 2B plus 4B shade in the layer wise, and finally we will check the difference between 4B shade and the HB plus 2B plus 4B shade. Our shading completed guys. You can see the difference between 4B and HB plus 2B plus 4B. It's more darker and smooth than the 4B shade. Guys, if you directly start the blending of the dark shade, it will not get blended properly. That's why you have to blend it in the layer wise. That means lower to higher shades to get the smooth texture. Now I will show the difference in the close look. See how it looks. You can see the difference. It's more darker and smooth than the upper shades guys. If you give more time to the blending in the layer wise, you will see the great result. If you like the video guys, and do subscribe to my channel.